Hello, everybody. Hi, welcome to Elixirs of Rotract. And today we have Rotractor Shri Gauri. Oops, I'm sorry, Shri Gauri and Rotractor Anisha team social media with us. I mean, two amazing, creative, on the spot caption people with us. So, welcome, guys. Hi. So, introducing my co host for tonight.
I'm Retractor Anisha Barmecha. I'm the Joint Entrepreneurship Development Director.
I am Road Tractor Nishita Thakkar, the Joint Community Service Director.
And this is Rotractor Shamaya Sheikh, the Joint PR and Marketing Director of RI District 3141. And we hope you all are excited for the questions and things coming up today for you all.
Yes, very much excited.
Yeah. So can you all please go ahead and introduce yourself first so that people know who you guys are?
Okay, so I am Retractor Anisha Rao, Joint Social Media Director for 2021.
And I'm Rotractor Shigari, and I'm also the Joint Social Media Director for the Rotract District 3141 for the year 2021.
Ooh, yay! Welcome, guys. Welcome. So, are you all ready for your first question coming up? तो पहला सवाल बढ़ते हैं whatever rupees के लिए. So, your first question is, why did you guys choose social media as an avenue out of all the other avenues? Like, why social media?
Okay, I'll start first. Social media was not my first option. My first option was professional development. We both are professional development directors. Were professional development directors in 1920, and we both wanted that post. But social media just came up in my mind because I've been very active on social media. I like all trends and memes and stuff. Reels was not even a part of that time, but I just felt social media is my forte, and I can तभी ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं था ना कि ऑनलाइन है या कुछ है. आई जस्ट थॉट कि हाँ ठीक है, इवेंट पे जाना है, इवेंट कवर करना है, फोटोज लेंगे, अपलोड करेंगे सोशल मीडिया पे. दैट वाज द ओनली मोटिव. आई डिडंट नो नथिंग अबाउट एंगेजमेंट, नथिंग अबाउट फॉलोअर्स, कुछ सोचा नहीं था. I just applied it for the sake of it, think thinking it will help some way or the other, that चलो अगर कुछ नहीं तो ये मिल जाएगा करके. Yeah, so that was about it.
So, to be very honest, social media was never my preference. I had applied for professional development and for editorial because I thought, मैंने इसमें already experience कर चुकी हूँ, and even like editorial, I have always been into writing and everything. So I was like, these things are something which are in my own comfort zone. So I applied for it. But later in the interview, they had asked me for my third preference, and they themselves said, "Are you comfortable with doing social media?" So at that particular point of time, I was like, "Okay, ठीक है, मैं हाँ कर देंगे, देख लेंगे क्या होता है करके." So but then too I was like, मेरे को editorial नहीं तो PD इनमें से कुछ एक चाहिए करके. But later then after like 2 to 3 weeks later, I got a call from Zakir saying that you have been selected for social media. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, fine, let's see. Starting में थोड़ी सी sad थी कि मेरे को editorial चाहिए था, मेरे को लिखने में था. But I was like, okay, let's see करके. And then yeah, since then it's been like, I mean, the thing which I never expected turned out to be my own thing, and it has been a crazy ride. And right now I can say that I cannot leave social media. I mean, मेरे को अगले साल को social media देना ही नहीं है. This is what is my situation right now. So yeah.
Cry, please cry.
She will. थोड़ा टाइम है, अभी भी थोड़ा टाइम है. When the call happens, she will cry.
That's a really nice thing to hear about you guys, that how you guys have changed your domain, but still you guys have fallen in love with the same. But what I'd like to know is, how has your journey been in this entire 2021 pandemic year per se? ज़्यादा काम बढ़ गया क्या?
Yeah, actually, so like I said, on ground जाके photos खींच के upload करना, that was the like main thing, that okay, this is what social media does and we just want to show what happens in our events. मुझे नहीं पता था उसके अलग मीप्रो डायरेक्टर्स रहता है, but still वो जो पर्सपेक्टिव था सोशल मीडिया का, it totally changed this year. We thought of doing more and more projects. So not only just covering what happens in your other avenues events, we wanted to do social media projects which like are shown everywhere. We did many projects this year which we wanted to show. There was a project called Hear Me Out, which was very close to Sri Gauri's heart, because she and Himali wrote that poem where like it was just a story about women and their challenges that they faced. We did during Navratri, and later on there was a project called Kasur, the gratitude towards Rotaract, how much we love Rotaract and what we did. So these are some projects that we wanted to showcase, and with the help of media production directors and other people, we did that. And it's been a really crazy journey because like till now we thought ki chalo kabhi. I did not attend any on ground event such of things. Like I attended meetings, but I still did not get that feeling of taking a photo and uploading on the stories and everything. But जो भी था जैसा भी था, it was lovely. And I couldn't have asked for a better co-director with me. The nagging and the late night calls, like I literally have slept. Okay, I have kept my phone aside. She will call me at 2:30, and I don't know how even I'll talk to her till 3:34. कैसे भी वो the call extends. If Sri Gauri calls you, just imagine that the call will take 1.5 hours. So that's how the whole ride has been. It really got possible because of Sri Gauri, and how we both managed for ourselves, and we're always there when we wanted each other's back, and that's what made it special this year.
So initially we got selected in the month of March, right? So March से लेकर June तक we generally planned out the things how we were going to conduct it, going to go about with the entire year, and it was like very simple and sweet and everything. So in the month of June we got our handovers and everything. But to be very honest, जून से लेकर जो मेन एग्जीक्यूशन का प्लान था, जून से लेकर अगस्त के पीरियड, जो फर्स्ट इनिशियल 3 months या फर्स्ट इनिशियल 2 months where everything is going to be hectic because everyone are going to be on that toes with regards to uploads, with regards to the releases. उसी टाइम पे मेरा फोन खराब हो गया था, and that was the peak of the pandemic, the first week के टाइम पे. So I literally didn't have phone for the first 2 months, and it was completely difficult for me. So what I used to do, my WhatsApp was on my dad's second space, and फिर वहाँ के थ्रू मैं बैठ के ऑपरेट किया करती थी जो भी कम्युनिकेशन रहता. एज एन व्हेन मेरे डैड फ्री हो जाते थे उनके काम से, तो मैं फोन लेके आई यूज्ड टू राइट व्हाटएवर थिंग हैज टू बी डन, मैं लिख के खत्म कर देती थी. और थ्रू माय मॉम्स फोन, और थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम डीएम्स, और थ्रू ईमेल में जो भी कम्युनिकेशन रहता था मैं उधर बैठ के उसको लगा करती थी. तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू मी एंड अनीशा, सो अनीशा इज समवॉट इनटू द लाइक जो भी क्रिएटिव साइड, द क्रिएटिव्स जो रहता है ना, जो भी डिजिटल चीजें जो जानी रहती है क्रिएटिव्स, she is well versed with that, and I am someone who is well, I mean I'm pretty decent with my writing. तो we used to divide our work accordingly, and उसके थ्रू हम लोग, मैं लिखने का काम करती थी, and जो भी है WhatsApp पे या जो भी मीडियम उस टाइम पे मेरे पास अवेलेबल रहता था मैं उसको वहां पे भेज दिया करती थी. And Anisha used to do the work of uploading and whatever it used to be there. Now coming to until like you can say August, we didn't do anything as such specific when it comes to social media. So there was just one association from COVID Warriors or something like that. They had collaborated with us, and with other clubs on board, we had gotten the entire awareness about COVID program. So when it comes to since towards the end of August, you can see we actually started implementing our own projects. So firstly, it was the Kasur, the gratitude thing, which we had done in collaboration with Rotaract Club of SK Somayya College, wherein we had clubs and districts from all over the world being there and expressing their gratitude towards Rotaract. Apart from that, we had something very crazy called as Zindagi Directors, wherein we had shown all the actual scenes of what actually directors do, what actually happens with the directors out there. Then there was something called as
It took 2 months. The whole idea, the execution, the people behind it. It took 2 months to come out, and when it came out, you were like, "हाश हो गया upload, खत्म हो गया, बस हो गया हम लोग को अभी ये और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मैं सोने जाऊंगी अभी इसके बाद."
Exactly. And apart from that, जो pie chart activity किया था, what an entire avenue actually is made up of, उसका हम लोग ने किया था. And to be very honest, जो भी हम लोग ने starting में initially जो plan किया था ना, उसमें से लेकर अभी तक देखा जाए ना, whatever we have done, it has been always spontaneous. It was never like pre-planned. हाँ, हम लोग ने initially बैठ के plan किया था, but you know, there was like simple little things which you could have which anyone could have thought of. To be very honest, जो भी अभी तुम लोग पूरे साल भर देखते गए हो एलेक्सा से लेकर, it was something very spontaneous कि नो हाँ मतलब आज ऐसा आइडिया है तो हम लोग मैं ग्रुप पे लिख देती थी कि यार अरे हम लोग को ऐसा करना है प्लीज मान जाए, वो मानने के लिए 10 अलग स्टिकर्स यूज करके मना लेती थी एंड दैट्स हाउ
इवन ये एलिक्सर्स का ये क्वार्टर का जो आइडिया था काउंसिल वाला, इट वाज नॉट काउंसिल, इट वाज समथिंग एल्स दैट वी हैड प्लान कि कुछ मेंबर्स करेंगे अलग ही. इट केम अप सडनली ड्यूरिंग फेब और समथिंग दैट फेब या जैन ऐसा कुछ कि जूम पे करते हैं ये ऐसा कुछ फन क्विज शो टाइप एंड वी विल जस्ट डू टाइम पास एंड एवरीथिंग. तो फर्स्ट वी वर लाइक थोड़ा कंफ्यूज कि कैसे करेंगे, ये अपना आइडिया नहीं था, वी विल स्टिक टू द ओरिजिनल प्लान. बट सी लाइक शिगरी टोल्ड एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट देन वी बोथ सेट कुछ ना कुछ ब्रेनस्टॉर्म हो जाता है, we'll figure out the end. हाँ ठीक है ऐसा कर लेंगे. थर्ड क्वार्टर का ऐसा थर्ड क्वार्टर also we changed and on the spot तभी like she said she literally pleases so well ओजस और जाकिर ऐसे, तब फिर थोड़ा सोचेंगे वो लोग हाँ ना चालू रहेगा, then she will put something voice note or something and then हाँ ठीक है चलो प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव हो गया आगे बढ़ो.
So it has been like completely at the end of the day, I can say it is like, you know, something really unexpected. कि starting में I was contemplating कि you know क्या करूँगी मैं social media में. It was never my thing. But now it is very dear to me. If you go and ask like no, पहले मैं no बोलूँगी फिर बाद में I will think and then I'll go ahead with the entire plan.
और whenever some uploads come और या next year के टीम का कुछ आता था ऐसा, so we were like we used to get confused, right? We have to get approvals from Zakir or Ojas saying कि ये है upload करना है, ये पूछना है, and when something goes haywire कि क्यों upload किया, what happened, and these have been like so many. Oh my god, if I start right now this call will go on for forever. The mistakes we have done, oh my, I'll tell one big mistake that one time नहीं बहुत time हुआ है. Okay, so मेरे phone में I have my own personal Instagram ID logged in and my Rotract Instagram ID logged in, right? So I have almost 3-4 times uploaded story on my story on 3141 का page और 3141 का story on my page. It has been so मतलब ऐसा, and luckily there have been like people who just फटाफट कोई DCM में से देख लेता है. It is like 1 minute only, but I guess 3141 के पेज पे तो नहीं हुआ, but मेरे पेज पे I have definitely put Rotrack का. It has been 3-4 times कि जो ऐसा even post भी किया मैंने मेरे like feed पे, and it's been like मतलब हम लोग मतलब पागल हो जाते हैं, कैप्शन सोच के इतना ही हो जाता है, and फिर होके भी गलत होता है. तो it's been like वैसा देखा जाए ना दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से अच्छा तो बहुत है बोलने, बट द बैड पार्ट ऑल्सो, द क्रेजी पार्ट वेयर वी हैव लाइक माथा फोड़ दिया हम लोग ने वो चीज को सोचते कि मतलब श्रीगरी knows what I'm talking about. I can't say that on call, but it's been crazy. Did not expect this.
Yeah, that was quite an interesting journey. Well, Shrigori already told us one challenge that she faced. So, Anisha, would you like to tell us what was the most challenging part of this journey?
There's nothing such challenging as such, because I just mentioned that one thing ki I used to post in like different accounts. Maybe one more thing I would like to add is when there were like both of us were not available. Sometimes it used to happen ki something used to get delay or anything, so that would frustrate me a lot. Ki even her actually she gets like we used to get sometimes clumsy or anything, but as such there were nothing challenges that I can remember right now.
Okay, so since y'all said your stories about the challenging stuff, so what was your most like memorable post or story or reel or a memorable moment while posting on the social media? What was that one post or that one thing which will like stick in your mind forever, like a memorable one?
So one of the most memorable thing, or one of the most dear to me moment when it came to social media was like the Hear Me Out thing which we had done. So basically, initially, so actually came up during the cave. If you all must have heard of the Hathras incident, which had taken place in the month of October or towards the September end. At that time, if you all know that crimes against women were increasing in a great number, and at that particular point of time, it really had affected me somewhere. This is not right. Because one after another, something or the other was coming up on the news. And at that very point of time, even Navratri was happening. Like the 9 days of Navratri were also in line. So, that was, a time, we can think of doing something with regards to women. So initially I had pitched I recorded my voice note as usual. मैं हमेशा voice notes पे record करके मैं लोगों को भेजती हूँ कि ऐसा करना चाहिए वैसा करना चाहिए, भले ही वो 5 seconds का भी हो मैं वो उसमें कर देती हूँ. तो मैंने पहले record करके भेजा कि this is my thought process and let's go ahead with it. Like मैंने जाके रोजेस अनीशा इन तीनों को ग्रुप में लेके बोला. तो firstly they were like contemplating कि whether it is the right thing or not, कि कहीं कुछ extreme हो जाएगा या फिर इसकी it can fire us back as well करके. So like all three of them were like पता नहीं, let's see. They were like दिखता है करके. Then I called up Ojas saying कि भाई देखना यार कर देते हैं यार. This is something like I really want to do. Let's just see. I'll do the writing work and everything. And फिर बाद में जो भी होगा, we can involve all the council members in it, and yeah, we can go ahead. Because if you all must have noticed, जो भी initially अभी तक जो भी हुए हैं, we have like there was certain group of people when it came to presidents का कुछ किया हम लोग ने, या फिर दूसरे रोट्रैक्टर्स, then it came to council members, ये सब लोग को इन्वॉल्व किया था यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे आई स्पेसिफिकली सेड कि council members को रहना चाहिए इसमें करके. तो he was like okay ठीक है देख. तो उसने यही बोला कि कर, देखो जो भी करना है कर, अगर अच्छा हुआ तो इट विल, जो भी है उसका अच्छी चीजें होंगी, अगर नहीं आया तो भी ठीक है, इट्स फाइन, कुछ ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट ये नहीं होगा. I said okay ठीक है करके that was something assuring to me, and I went ahead with the writing and all. So I even involved Himali in this because she is someone who has always been a woke person and also is into writing. So I wrote the initial part, and later the second part of it was written by Himali. And after that, once the script was done from our end, the entire poem which was there, it was done. So later on, I put up a message in the council group saying, we are looking for all the council members who are interested in this thing, so you all can join with us. So I remember Anisha was there, Anisha Bharmesha was there, then few other council members, Ojas, Bharat, then we had even involved 2 Rotaract icons as well in that particular thing. So major difficulty was, getting the clips recorded by all of them. The things weren't only in place, and even for one whole week, we were trying to find some influencer who can get on board with us for this cause. And I remember till the end, जो अगले दिन हमको release करना था, नहीं हो रहा था.
She lost hope. She lost the hope.
I had lost my hopes. I was like, let's just scrap it down. मेरे को करना ही नहीं है वो अभी करके ऐसे इसमें थी. Then फिर बाद में I talked a little bit to Ojas, then he said continue. He gave me few contacts. He said try कर, क्योंकि on day जिस दिन release होना था नहीं हो पाया. तो he said उस दिन बोला कि ये try कर, हुआ तो let's see, go ahead with it करके. तो फिर फाइनली उस दिन भी होगा, उसके 2-3 दिन बाद सब सेटल हो गया. फिर उसके थोड़े दिन के बाद मतलब सबके क्लिप्स भी आ गए इन प्लेस, द क्लिप्स वर देयर, तो वो एक फाइनल सेटिस्फैक्शन हो गया. एंड उसके बाद फिर बाद में हम लोग ने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया, एडिट करवाया, एंड देन द एंटायर पीस केम एट द टाइम. एक्चुअली सब पूरा वीडियो रेडी हो गया था, वी जस्ट हैड टू अपलोड इट ऑन YouTube. उस टाइम पे इट वाज हार्ड, माय हार्ट वाज कंप्लीटली रेसिंग, लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन रहेगा इस पे करके. Then eventually it got uploaded, and it was one of the most beautiful thing I could ever see. The background light which was there, the statements which people were saying, and that unka jo emotions which were involved in that, it was literally one could feel it. And I personally really loved it, and we got comments from Mekhla Bause was a part of it. Then we even got applause from even Rotarians, Dr. Rotarian Arun Garg, who was part of who had seen it. They too appreciated it. So in the end, I can say it was one of the most beautiful moments, or one of the most sweet and dearest moments for me. Yes.
Okay, so for me, when the first Zindagi Directors ki the first video when it was uploaded, because we were working on it for 2 months. Okay, we had many members from clubs, presidents, DCMs, everybody were acting, they recorded. I was talking to them all time ki aisa record karo, aisa chahiye video, waisa chahiye. Sat with the editors, did all the editing and stuff. And when the first video finally went out, that was like a relaxed moment. And when the project ended, that was a relaxed moment. And also one more very kind of emotional moment was when not this Elixir, okay, but when me and Sri Gauri recorded the last episode from our side as host. We recorded the video with finance directors. So after they left the call, me and Sri Gauri were talking and everything, and I got a bit emotional. I didn't show उतना ये सब, but yeah, it was वो हम दोनों के लिए it was very kind of thing कि पूरा साल खत्म हो गया. We are done. It is like over. हम लोग का project पूरा जो year long initiative था, we did it. We are complete with our side of things. We just have to release it now, and I'm sure जब ये episode release होगा, that will also be a very emotional kind of moment when, because it is like over, खत्म मई महीना खत्म हो गया, reporting कर देना है, it is over. Like that will be like the emotional moment for me.
Okay, so quite a long, memorable moment. Okay, so I have like one question here. Like when you got selected for the council, okay, when you were given a call for this positions and when you got to know some things, so what image you had of your vertical head and DRR and how they turned out to be now?
Shigar, you explain. Shigar, you explain this first because I know your answer.
I love Gauri's expression to this question.
When it came to my vertical head, I was like, मैं जाकर से एक दो बार मेरा स्टार्टिंग में बहुत पहले इंटरव्यू से पहले ही बात हो चुका था मेरा in regards to some of the other things. So I knew that he is a very sweet person, एकदम calm person, शांत इंसान है करके. But मस्ती भी उतना equally करता है, but वो मस्ती का इतना पता नहीं था. But I knew that he's a very calm and sweet person and always has an ear for everyone. So, but when it came to Ojas, I was like starting when I just knew that he's the DRR nominee. DRR elect जब भी जैसे जैसे साल आते गए, I thought कि okay DRR elect हो गया. So when it came to the day of the interview, जो मेन 91 स्प्रिंग बोर्ड का जो भी एरिया था, लॉबी था, वहां पे सब लोग बैठे थे एंड प्रीवियस काउंसिल मेंबर्स बैठे थे वहां पे इंटरव्यू के लिए. सो दे वर ऑल लाइक कि भाई बहुत लेंगे ये लोग, ये होगा वो होगा ये होगा वो होगा. एंड आई एम समवन हु गेट्स नर्वस वेरी इजीली. लाइक इनिशियली आई गेट वेरी नर्वस. सो आई वाज लाइक, मैं वो सुन के I was getting nervous कि भाई क्या होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. एंड आई थॉट कि भाई मेरे को ओजस नहीं चाहिए मेरे इंटरव्यू में. ये सब सुनने के बाद मेरे को ओजस नहीं चाहिए मेरे इंटरव्यू में करके मैं इस सोच से गई. So then from there Simran called me that it is your turn now. I started walking in जो भी doors में वहाँ पे, वो जाके मैं पीछे से मैं जा रही हूँ चलते चलते, and I saw Ojas walking behind me. And he was going to enter the same room. I was like, मेरे को उस particular moment में I was like, मैं U-turn मार के निकल जाऊंगी, मेरे को नहीं आना है बैठना है इंटरव्यू में करके. मेरी ऐसी हालत हो गई. मैं 10 I couldn't show in front of them कि भाई I'm nervous because you are going to be my DRR, right? Then I went into the meeting room and I sat down there, and he started asking me questions and everything, basic normal questions. And उस interview के time पे I couldn't speak a word in front of him. I was so nervous. I couldn't speak a word in front of him, and he had to literally leave the room from there. He had to literally leave the meeting room, and that's when I started speaking. And from there till the month of August, I was like, I don't want to. I mean, मैं नहीं बात कर पाऊंगी उसके सामने. मैं literally बात नहीं कर पाऊंगी करके. And एक point of time ऐसा हुआ था कि I couldn't communicate in front of him. तो रात के 12:30 बजे I was like कि भाई ये अनीशा एंड जाकिर they both weren't responding. मैं रात के 12:30 बजे बैठ के हम तीनों का अलग से ग्रुप बना के वहां पे बोले कि we'll talk over here. I cannot talk in front of Ojas. I'm scared to talk in front of him करके, because there have been moments where I put foot in my mouth. I was like, no, please, no करके. And since August, eventually things started calming down and everything, and I got familiar with all the entire process and how the entire thing works. And that's when I started talking with him. And उसके बाद से we have become good friends now. Like Anisha is the one who, like, we pull Anisha's leg now over here, and me and Ojas, we both team up and we pull Anisha's leg together. This is how the scenario is.
Strike.
And yeah, strikes, yes. और like उस टाइम से अभी तक हमेशा हम लोग strike game खेलते, तो मैं और Ojas एक दूसरे के साथ strike खेलते रहते हैं हमेशा. जब भी कोई गलती करता है तो।
Okay, so मेरा impression was like I didn't know both of them. ठीक है, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ओजस का पर्सनालिटी कैसा है और जाकिर का पर्सनालिटी कैसा है. मुझे बस ऐसा कान भरा गया था कि ओजस इज लाइक रियली strict when it comes to work and he can be ऐसा charming and ऐसा good boy types when it comes to talking and everything. बट अगर काम करना है तो उसके साथ ऐसा इज्जत में काम करने का. दैट इज व्हाट इम्प्रेशन आई गॉट फॉर ओजस, व्हिच टर्न्ड आउट क्वाइट सिमिलर एक्चुअली. ऐसा ही इज फन फॉर टॉकिंग एंड जब ही इज लाइक लेजिट, जब भी काम करना है काम अच्छे से करो. ही इज दैट हमारा काम स्मूथली हो जाए, दैट्स द थिंग. जाकिर आई डिडंट टॉक टू हिम कभी. मेरा मतलब इसके क्या बोलते हैं इंटरव्यू जो मतलब कॉल आया था कि यू आर बीइंग सिलेक्टेड, उसके पहले कभी बात ही नहीं हुआ. आई जस्ट हर्ड दैट ही is if you're good with him he'll vibe with you, वरना नहीं, ऐसा type of thing I have heard. ऐसा कभी मेरे को ऐसा कभी impression आया नहीं था. So yeah.
It's amazing to see how you guys have ultimately bonded with your vertical head. I'll move ahead to the next question. Can you describe your journey of social media in just one word? Like just one word. I know looking at both your faces, it's very difficult to summarize the entire journey, but guys, one word.
Okay, for me it was unexpected.
So for me, to obviously I cannot use the same answer. I can say that I'm grateful for this year. I'm grateful that this year happened to me.
Totally agree. I totally agree because even Shri Gauri, like she changed her whole career path because she was like a content writer before this whole Rotaract year, and now even she's working as a social media intern in some other company, right? So the whole Rotaract has given both of us. Even I am looking into marketing and everything. I am looking for social media internships and everything because this is like we've been really grateful and we really thank that ये साल हम लोग का एज अ पर्सनालिटी बहुत चेंज किया.
Yes.
It's good to see how you turned all the unexpected things in your favor. So now that y'all have become social media pros, do you have any tips or suggestions for the upcoming social media team?
So we did not like seriously we made so many mistakes that we don't want the further teams to make. Because during the starting what we thought is कि जुलाई तक pandemic lift हो जाएगा and we will have a normal year, right? Because next year we can't predict. अभी भी first quarter might go like that, all these fungus and everything coming up. We don't know how it will be, right? So when we will have a call with the upcoming team, बड़े दुख के साथ कहना पड़ता है, but yeah, we will definitely tell them about first of all they have a great this what do you say their vertical head is really great. We have been working with him closely this year, Navneet Kabra. He's been supportive with social media and everything. So हमको टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स उतना देने से ज्यादा वो खुद ही अप्लाई कर देगा सब कुछ. सो दैट इज देयर. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट लाइक what we saw this year कि हर एक DCMs के साथ interact करना and to be in connect with them is not something that social media does, but we did. Like I can proudly say that I know almost every one of you all and all the other council members that somewhere कहीं ना कुछ interaction किया, and that's what kept me going कि not even only for social media aspects or even your Rotaract aspects, I can talk to you all anytime and catch up with anyone anytime. So that's there कि interact करो ज़्यादा, get to know everyone. बाकी social media tips and tricks so anytime we can give, anytime we are just a call away. Anything you want तभी के तभी, everything is there. We chat on the group also. So nothing on that perspective.
So one thing which I have to say for the next year is that firstly, firstly I can proudly say that they have got an amazing vertical head, that is Rotaract Navneet Kabra, because he has always been one of the most sweetest person to always talk to, and always if you are looking for any advice then he will be always there for you. So coming to next year's theme, so this year actually what we had decided is like, always there has been uploading, deleting, posting, uploading, deleting, लिखना उतना जो भी है वो generally होता गया था. But we want to do something, experiment with in terms of content and everything. And this year we actually got the opportunity, thanks to our own vertical heads, that they gave us the freedom and the free hand to do whatever we wish to do. Always they have been there to, look after things, but yes, did give us a free hand. So we are actually thankful for that. So this year has been the base for them to develop in terms of content of whatever actually has to go in the next year. They can plan accordingly, can see, kaise kya hota gaya hai. So one thing, as a tip or trick, if I would like to say is that, never let anyone overpower you, because you are the one who is actually going to be the face of the, entire district in terms of, because you are the one who has to, in terms of digital media, you are the one who has to always be there on point and ki kahan pe kya jaane wala hai karke. And there are going to be people ki, upload, delete, they are going to be there ki events hote hi rehne wala hai. But it is you who has to set down everything and plan down everything. So I would like to say that, always be firm on your feet and always, don't let anyone overpower you. Always there are going to be uploads and there are going to be certain moments ki, koi hoga karke kuch urgent basis pe. But never let your foot down. Always be firm on yourself and jo bhi hai, take the stand for yourself. That's the only thing I would say.
Personal experience.
Yeah.
Personal experience speaks.
What an amazing question answer session it was. It started with fun, then challenging, then memorable, to like Gyani, to philosophical and tips and tricks and everything. Like a roller coaster thing it was. So kudos to your social media year, kudos to your unexpected year, kudos to your grateful year. And yeah, अब मैं emotional हो जाऊंगी तुम लोग का बोलते बोलते. So question answer session तो हो गया. So this was some questions we had. Like अभी मेरे दिमाग में ना और भी बहुत सारे personal questions आ रहे हैं यार, मुझे ये पूछना है या वो पूछना है या ऐसा पूछना है. But well, let us keep that aside and let us go to the fun part of the thing. So we have few questions which we have prepared. We are going to ask you, and Anisha and Nishita, if you all have something like quick creative questions to ask at the end of the day, we can surely ask them, because this is our moment right now. So your first question is, who is most likely to delay the work?
Always it's me. Shrigori is like tip top in all everything. She will give whatever you ask on time, and I will delay it a lot.
Okay, next, who is most likely to get late in the road track meetings?
No one. We both are always on time, before time. तुम लोग हम लोग को व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में भी देखो, वी आर ऑलवेज ऑनलाइन. हम हमेशा सबको फटाफट रिप्लाई करते हैं, कोई भी कुछ भी भेजता है, अनलेस एंड अंटिल वी बोथ आर टॉकिंग ईच अदर फोन पे. अदर देन दैट हम लोग हमेशा बहुत एक्टिव रहते हैं. वी आर नेवर लेट.
एंड ऑल्सो हम लोग एक चीज बोल सकते हैं कि जब भी कुछ भी प्रोजेक्ट रहा हो या फिर कुछ भी देयर इज समथिंग एक्साइटिंग फ्रॉम, लाइक जो भी चीजें हम लोग को एक्साइट करती है करने में, हम लोग व्हाट्सएप पे भी साथ में काम करते रहेंगे और एक दूसरे को कॉल पे भी लेके बात करते रहेंगे. साइमल्टेनियसली हम दोनों चीजें करते रहते हैं. ऐसे हम लोग. तो
Nice, amazing. Now next, okay, who is most likely to forget to post something on social media handles?
Definitely she will remind me of that कि मैं नहीं भूलूं. But I literally keep alarm sometimes. Like हम लोग ऐसा कभी कभी रहता था कि we have to post the whole day, ठीक है, ऐसा 2 घंटे में gaps कुछ रहता था. I used to keep alarm. वो भी मैं मिस करती थी, तो भी ये बंदी का कॉल आ जाता था, अनिशा अभी तक अपलोड नहीं हुआ है, कर दे अपलोड. Yeah, continue.
Nice. Okay. So next one, okay, who is most likely to get firing from vertical head for minor errors?
Minor.
I can say both.
हाँ कभी कभी
बोथ हुआ है.
हाँ दोनों हुआ है.
दोनों सिचुएशंस हुआ है. आई कैन से इक्वली दोनों को फायरिंग मिल चुकी है चीजों पे.
बट इतना ऐसा हाँ ठीक है.
Initially.
हाँ इनिशियली
Initially
वेरी स्टार्ट में. लेटर
because I told you, right, I wasn't familiar with this thing. Social media was never my thing. And even
I
like Anisha, yeah.
अक्टूबर के बाद I don't think we have never ऐसा अक्टूबर के बाद we gelled in with Zakir and Ojas so beautifully. मतलब ऐसा कभी हम लोग कुछ इशू हुआ, it's just like okay ठीक है जाने दो, देख लेंगे what to do. They'll also talk in their core team or anything. It is nothing to worry of.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Nishita and Anisha, y'all can take it over if y'all want to ask something else.
Okay, so since you both were very spontaneous, so who was the most spontaneous one to pick up with the trends of social media?
Both यार. We
Both equally, like, you know.
ए हर चीज में बोथ मत करो हाँ.
सही है.
Shri Gauri.
Anisha, now the special question.
I'm getting confused. What can be a special question? What's very special about Rotaract other than all the general things for us? What is there something more special for you guys,
Hey,
Anisha?
chal, I know this. Who asked this? I know what you are going on. She Baba, oh my God, I did not expect this. I thought somewhere कहीं ना कहीं ये question ऐसा आएगा. There is nothing, no special.
Anisha सीधा पूछे तो the question she meant was why do you blush in Rotaract meetings these
कुछ
days?
नहीं ऐसा meetings में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Nothing, there is nothing sort of this. Why? Oh God, why?
So why are you blushing right now?
I'm not blushing. I'm laughing. Okay, please.
कुछ
I'm
तो
just
राज की
laughing.
बात है. अनिशा, ये लव है कि ये डव है? सही बता.
Guys, प्लीज श्री गुरु, तेरे को बहुत बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. मैं नहीं खोल सकती तेरा राज, तो इसलिए तू हंस मत.
श्री गौरी, ये लोग ना तेरे लिए भी
Is
क्वेश्चंस
that
लाए हैं,
something
ठीक
on
है?
your
या
मेरा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम नॉट ब्लशिंग, आई एम जस्ट लाफिंग. कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. क्यों ऐसा?
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं है
ऐसा कुछ छुपाने के लिए होता है ना किसी के पास, वही डिविएट करता है. कुछ नहीं है, नहीं तो सीधा बोल देती हूँ.
Who's more likely to start dating first within Rotaract? Oh, Shrigori अभी भी आंसर नहीं कर रही है.
नहीं करेगी वो, उसको पता है वही है.
Can we answer and fill in the blanks for your silence? Can we let our audience fill in the blanks?
No.
I'm not going to date anyone. She just wanted to, deviate the entire thing away from herself. So that's why she
Challa.
pushed me. That's why she put me into the life.
Smart
So there is
play, smart play.
या
तुक्का मारा, हमारा तुक्का सही निकला.
जाकिर.
Okay.
आप बहन मुझे मारी, तेरे को आना चाहिए था अनीशा, मेरे को नहीं.
हाँ यार.
So since y'all had so much fun, okay, and I hope you all had like so much fun in this game. So there is one more game coming up. So तुम लोग ने बहुत fun कर लिया. अब थोड़ा तुम लोग का memory test करते हैं. So
ये क्या है?
तुम लोग ने जो किया social media journey में, we'll just guess that you remember some of them. Okay, so let's just try it out. Are you all guys ready? No phone around.
I am ready.
No cheating.
The entire purpose. No cheating. Do it.
क्या
So-
phone
so-
बंद है?
Yeah, we are starting. Okay, we are starting. Are you guys ready? Just give a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, so there is one post which y'all uploaded, which was of a Rotaract icon, Chrisen Barreto. Okay, तो वो post तुम लोग ने लगभग on which days did y'all upload it? The ones who give the answer closest to that date wins.
September 15.
उधर फोन देख के बोल रही है. फोन देख के बोल रही है वो. फोन देख के बोल रही है वो. अभी बंद किया वो फोन. नो चीटिंग.
नहीं भाई, नहीं मैंने बंद कर दिया. 15 सितंबर. रैंडम गेस दिया है भाई. भाई का बर्थडे है उस दिन.
Okay, what about Shri Gauri? You?
I can say like around 5th, 6th October, maybe something like that.
Okay, so that post y'all uploaded it on 18th July 2020.
What? भाई
Actually, they were. I guess we got confused
अभी
because there
अभी
was.
मत check करो, guys. अभी और बाकी है, please. Seriously, check mat karo.
Yeah, you all can just note it down या फिर बाद में देख लेना. Okay, so the second post, the second JPEG या creative which you all uploaded on social media, Rotaract Institute of Orators, RIO का था. There was a trainer named Suchitra Pillai. She had come for an event and you all uploaded that JPEG on social media. So like, on which date did you all upload it?
श्रीगौरी, ये तेरे को पता रहेगा.
I guess towards the end of February, I can say, I believe like around 20th of February, something around, I believe. In the mid of February, something like that.
एक डेट बोल, मैं एक डेट बोलती हूँ, देखते हैं कौन जीतता है.
So, मतलब, 21st, 22nd February.
I'll say 15th February.
So y'all uploaded it on 24th of February.
Because Shrigauri knows, because she's been in Rio and she has attended session, तो उसको याद रहेगा कब था करके.
So तुम लोग points देखो हाँ, Nishita and Anisha. Yeah. So there was an event of club service. They initiated this Rotaract boss, okay? And you all uploaded uska JPEG ka creatives. So like, when did you all upload it?
2nd of February.
मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, अगर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस में बोला है इसने, मैं क्या ही बोलूं.
2nd of February.
नहीं. Which creative you are talking about?
The Rotaract boss with an I, wherein the date and everything and the contact details were given. We could have shared.
February.
5th of February. 3rd of February.
Sure.
नहीं. हाँ.
Okay. And Shri Gauri, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
So you all uploaded it on 2nd of February.
How were you so sure? मेरे को बता अभी.
I will answer by Shri Gauri.
Exactly.
उसको पता ही है क्या है.
So,
क्योंकि एक बार को तू विनर का बोलती ना, तो विनर वी कुड हैव सेड कि क्योंकि DRR प्रेस के दिन रिलीज हुआ था, तो वो याद रहता. तू बता अभी मुझे कैसे याद है तेरे को. चीटिंग मत कर.
So 2nd of February was my club starter day, and that particular day itself, I told Anisha, I told Anisha ki, these are all the things which have to be uploaded. I will be not there present at that particular point of time, so you be there and
Wow.
upload all the necessary and whatever is there.
क्या खूब. मतलब मैं अभी पार्टिसिपेट करके पॉइंट ही नहीं बनता. शी इज विनिंग. मतलब
No, you can cover it up. We still have few chances left.
I
Okay.
can share it with you guys. So this is the next one. This is your hashtag change one habit image that was there. So what is the exact date? What do you guys think? कब किया होगा post?
10th Jan.
10th Jan. I can say 9th of
Both
Jan.
can give the same date.
9th of Jan.
Okay, are you guys sure about the dates?
हाँ.
Okay, so Anisha, you just again miss it by a margin because it's 9th of Jan.
What? अरे यार. She guessed it very randomly क्योंकि मैंने
One
बोला
date
था.
आगे. She just guessed properly whatever date you said, uska one date आगे, and that is what it
Cheating.
is.
नहीं, गलत.
Yeah. So the next one, I think it's a project which is very close to all our hearts and especially to the district. So I want to know whether you guys remember when you guys posted this one.
March 5th.
Yes, March.
March 5th.
I
मैंने बोल दिया.
Anisha said this one first. Shri Gauri दूसरा date pick कर ले.
एक मिनट.
So Anisha says 5th March. Shri Gauri, what did you say?
मेरे पास reason भी है.
Maybe 10th March, I can say 10th March.
Okay, so Anisha says 5th March. Shri Gauri says 10th
If-
March.
If Shrigauri wins this, cheating.
Okay, to save ourselves from such allegations of cheating, Anisha, you won this. It's 4th of March.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so this project was posted on 4th of March. Guys, do you guys want to do one more?
हाँ चलेगा.
Okay,
Something.
let's like give
हाँ.
like double points for this one. Whoever
Oh,
guesses
please,
one.
please
This
give
is
me the
literally like
opportunity.
sorry, what?
Give me the opportunity, I said.
Yes, yes, the opportunity is yours. Hereby unlocking your opportunity in three, two, one.
धक धक हो रहा है. Oh,
So July 28th, last. July 28th.
चीटिंग करती है ये बंदी. मैंने जुलाई 20 बोला था, लेकिन
Shigori
वो
ka
अपना
fix
डेट
hai,
था.
20th July. Now, Anisha, you have your chance
जुलाई
to guess
25.
why. So, Shri Gauri, you guessed it as 28th July, and Anisha has said 25th July. And that's literally a margin of 3 days. A project, पता है कि उसके बीच में भी हो सकता था. But the project has happened in September, guys. Like,
भाई,
क्या guess कर रहे हो?
अरे यार, but we
By a
literally
huge
thought.
margin, Shri Gauri, you won the crown jewel. You are the social media memory queen of
हाँ,
ship.
टैगलाइन भी दे दिया. गलत है, गलत है, गलत
I
है
need
ये.
a, I need a
अब इसमें
crown now.
cheating ही नहीं है.
I need a crown now. Please get me a crown.
चल चल.
This artificial crown ये करूँगी मैं.
So with this, our fun segment, our memory segment, everything's coming to an end.
So this is what we had for today. We just scripted it like few minutes ago, this event, and we enjoyed doing it. We enjoyed planning it. We enjoyed making questions for you. We enjoyed discussing it with each other. This was the first time even I met a new friend. Even I got to understand a new avenue. Even I got an opportunity to host the social media queens who rocked this pandemic. And yeah, we are glad. Okay, today the tables were turned and we realized how difficult it is, because this was just one session. We actually enjoyed it, but trust me, if it would have been a lot of avenues, I would have been screwed up, because sitting for 1 to 2 hours at a single place in front of the screen and asking the questions and just being a good listener takes a lot of efforts. So kudos to you guys. We enjoyed listening to your stories. Your journey is amazing. The ups and downs, as I said ago, were amazing and commendable. You working as a social media during this pandemic and posting a lot of pictures and reels and staying up to the trend, because that is the lifeline for everybody out here. Otherwise, we couldn't have been connected. Even this is the social media. Even this is one of your project, which is the last project it seems to be, and I know it is very special to you guys, and hopefully we were successful in making it special for you guys. Hopefully we did not disappoint you, and we took it all over, and hope you enjoyed this as well as cherish some moments, and we hope you all the best, and we wish you luck in your further avenues which you all switch to, and future endeavors in your life. So thank you so much for joining us. Nishita, Anisha, if you want to say something, y'all can just go ahead.
It was our privilege to turn the tables today and host the hosts of Elixirs of Road Track. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Hope we did justice as hosts of Elixirs of Road Track.
Yes, yes, definitely.
You guys have always been the face of Rotract, posting all these things on time for each of our projects, taken so much effort and made us feel so much more part of Rotract through this project of Alex Rotract, given us so much insights. And we hope that through this last session, we are able to convey your social media's insights to all the people and of the of the movement that is there.
Thank you so much. You all have been a very great host and lived up the mark also. So not to worry about that. Yeah, thank you.
I actually enjoyed being over here today because I'm someone who gets easily nervous. Like, yeah, I do get nervous easily, but today being on the other side of the table,
was-
I actually enjoyed.
Yeah,
I
it was
actually
fun.
enjoyed. Yes.
अभी अभी समझता दूसरा है, when उसको इतना ऐसा फन हम लोग जब स्क्रिप्ट करते हैं, we are like अच्छा ठीक है ये क्वेश्चन ऐड करना है, this is the question that you want to add, and today being on the other side, it was really fun. We enjoyed a lot. So guys, with this we are done with our year-long initiative Elixirs of Protract.
Thank you so much for listening to all the stories which we have shared with you.
So hereby signing off as storytellers for Elixirs of Protract Team Social Media. Thank you.
Thank you guys.